Welcome back to our travel channel. Today, we're thrilled to share with you a compilation of expert travel tips and hacks that will elevate your journey to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or embarking on your first adventure, these invaluable insights will ensure a smooth, enjoyable, and stress-free travel experience. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. 1. Meticulous research and strategic planning. Embarking on a successful trip starts with meticulous research and strategic planning. Immerse yourself in comprehensive destination research, exploring the culture, local customs, and must-visit attractions. This will not only enrich your overall experience but also enable you to optimize your time and make the most of each moment. 2. The art of packing light. Avoid the cumbersome burden of lugging around heavy suitcases by mastering the art of packing light. Select versatile clothing items that can be easily mixed and matched, and pack only the essentials. Remember, you can always do laundry or acquire necessary items at your destination, freeing you from the shackles of overpacking. 3. Optimize space with the roll and compress technique. Maximize your packing efficiency by utilizing the roll and compress technique for your clothes. Rolling garments not only minimizes wrinkles but also saves space within your suitcase. To further optimize space, invest in compression packing cubes that allow you to squeeze out excess air, granting you more room for essentials. 4. Safeguard your documents digitally. Prior to departure, protect yourself against potential loss or theft of important documents by digitizing them. Take clear photos of your passport, visas, identification cards, and travel insurance documents. Store these images securely on your phone, or better yet, upload them to a password-protected cloud service for easy access wherever you go. 5. Embrace the power of portable chargers. Don't let a depleted battery hinder your travel adventures. Invest in a high-quality portable charger to keep your devices powered up on the go. Look for a charger with multiple USB ports and a substantial battery capacity to ensure you're equipped with ample power throughout your explorations. 6. The language connection. Cultivate meaningful connections with the locals by learning a few key phrases in their native language. Mastering basic greetings, expressions of gratitude, and simple questions such as, "Where's the nearest restroom?" not only facilitates communication but also demonstrates your respect for the local culture and fosters a deeper appreciation for your destination. 7. Hydration and eco-consciousness. Prioritize your well-being and reduce single-use plastic waste by staying hydrated with a reusable water bottle. Carry a durable and eco-friendly option that can be refilled at water stations or filtered sources. Remember, staying properly hydrated enhances your overall energy levels and helps you make the most of your travel experiences. 8. Navigate efficiently with offline maps and guides. Avoid the pitfalls of unreliable internet connections and data roaming charges by leveraging offline maps and downloaded travel guides. Prior to departure, download offline maps from reputable apps such as Google Maps or Maps.me. Additionally, save digital copies of travel guides or articles to your device, granting you access to vital information even in the absence of an internet connection. 9. Adaptability and open-mindedness. In the face of unexpected situations, embrace adaptability and open-mindedness as your travel companions. Recognize that not everything will go exactly as planned, and that's the beauty of travel. Approach unforeseen circumstances with flexibility, seeking opportunities for personal growth, and embracing the unexpected adventures that await you. There you have it, our compilation of expert travel tips and hacks that are sure to elevate your journey to extraordinary heights. Remember, meticulous planning, efficient packing, and an open mind are the keys to a successful adventure. We hope these invaluable insights will empower you to embark on unforgettable travels. Safe journeys, and until next time. If you found this video helpful, we would be delighted if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more expert travel tips and inspiration. Feel free to share your thoughts, questions, or additional tips in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we wish you happy travels.